Hey guys, so one of the best things that I learned while editing is accurately cutting music to my clips instead of cutting my clips to the music. It gets pretty frustrating when you're changing the lengths of your clips in order to fit the song in a good way. The way you would accurately cut something is, say that I don't want this portion of the song in my video. And instead I want it to go from this section right here to this last portion over here. So what I would do is cut where I want the second portion to go and cut the portion that I want to be there and delete the middle part. And from here I would drag this part back over here and it would sound something like this, which doesn't fit very well. So I would use the effect called constant power and I would drag that in between these two clips and it looks something like that. So what this sounds like now is like this. Then I can change the length of this accordingly to make it sound a little bit better. Now it sounds like this. Depending on the song and what portion of the song you're cutting, this might sound better with a different length, or if you use your rolling edit tool by holding Control, it might fit better in other portions. The more work and effort you put into this, the better it sounds. But that's how you accurately cut music on Premiere Pro.